I'm excited to introduce our speakers with us this evening. Dr. Kira Werstein, Associate Teaching Professor, Kinesiology, Master of Digital Health Program Director of Graduate Education. She specializes in health, wellness, and behavior change courses. In addition to teaching, her professional mission is to translate research into practical solutions, which she achieves through various roles, including serving as faculty member and as a clinical health coach and consultant. We also have with us this evening Dr. Kristen Metcalf, Assistant Teaching Professor of Kinesiology for the Master Digital Health Program in the Department of Kinesiology here at Iowa State University. Her expertise spans health and wellness, physical activity measurement, and wearable technology. Also here to help answer questions is Megan Dirth, Assistant Director of Student Services with Iowa State Online. Her background is in teaching, both in the classroom and online. In her role as director, she works with a team that provides fantastic support to our online students here at Iowa State. This will be a quick informational webinar on the Master of Digital Health program here at Iowa State University. As Megan shared, we'll have plenty of time for questions at the end, but we do encourage you to enter your questions into the chat as they may arise. For our agenda, first, we will cover an overview of the program with quick information about the curriculum. We will discuss career opportunities in digital health, the online learning experience, and the student support services available to online students at Iowa State University. Now, let's get into it. Kira, can you start by giving us an overview of the Digital Health Master's degree?
Yes, thank you, Susan. This program teaches students to use digital tools and data analytics to improve human health outcomes. Using information and communication technologies, it equips them with skills to manage health behaviors, illnesses, and risks. The learning objectives include integrating digital health technologies, analyzing data, and incorporating innovative technologies. It combines the understanding of digital health technologies with the expertise in human movement, health behavior, and health promotion. Students will have hands-on experience. They will learn digital health tools and data analytics and have opportunities to work on real-world digital health projects. Now I will pass to Kristen to share more about the program's curriculum.
Thank you, Kira. We have taken a holistic approach to the curriculum, blending technological innovation with health sciences for advanced digital health interventions. Our program is designed for working professionals, so it offers a flexible online learning format. The program is 30 credits, and it's made up of 4 credits of foundational courses and 24 credits or 8 specialized courses on data analytics, AI, personalized medicine, telemedicine, public health, and more, and a 2-credit capstone project. So the 2 foundational courses are Foundations of Digital Health and Research Methods and Ethics of Health Technologies. The Foundations of Digital Health course explores the intersection of technology and healthcare. It covers the evolution of digital health, agile methodologies for personalized interventions, and the impact of innovation and entrepreneurship on healthcare efficiency. The Research Methods and Ethics of Health Technologies course covers research methods in the digital health ecosystem. It includes both quantitative and qualitative approaches. It explores ethical considerations and regulatory aspects of health technologies like wearables, apps, and social media platforms. Finally, the capstone project will give students the real-world experience relevant to their career goals in the digital health field. So it could be an internship with industry partners or a healthcare organization. It could be a literature review or an analysis completed individually or as a group, and it'll involve documentation and a presentation to faculty and students. Now, Kira will share a bit about what students can expect the program to be like.
Thanks, Kristen. Students can expect to spend about 2 to 3 hours per week for each credit. So a 3-credit course generally takes about 6 to 7 hours per week. Each course will vary in the types of activities and assessments and the expectations of those. So you could expect things like quizzes, applied activities, presentations, and projects, all of which are in our learning platforms called Canvas. So before I pass it back to Kristen to discuss the exciting career opportunities, I'm curious to know from our attendees, what interests you most about a career in digital health? So I'll give you a few seconds to put an answer in the chat if you are comfortable. Some of the career interests of students who are already enrolled in this fall include going into careers in healthcare IT, product development and strategy, health data management, in insurance, or some of the other examples. All right, well, we welcome hearing more about your career interests if you think of something as we're going along. So next, I'm going to pass it back to Kristen to hear more about career potential.
Thanks, Kira. So digital health has real-world applications across various sectors, including enhancing patient care and operational efficiency in healthcare, developing innovative health technologies, optimizing medical devices and systems in engineering, managing risk and improving health outcomes in insurance, advancing drug development and delivery in pharmaceuticals, conducting data-driven health research, shaping health policies and regulations in government, and promoting population health and disease prevention in public health. So our program equips graduates to be competitive and excel in various areas where health and technology converge. This degree will distinguish students in the following areas: healthcare IT and telemedicine. So this involves telecare, activity monitoring, remote medication management roles. Through mHealth or mobile health apps. This would be the development and management of wearables, glucose monitors, activity trackers, fitness apps, things like that. Monitoring services such as solutions for independent aging, chronic disease management, and post-acute care. And health analytics, including opportunities with health insurance companies, software and product engineering, and web application development. The digital health field is rapidly expanding due to an aging population, increasing chronic disease rates, and changing how consumers expect to get their healthcare. Employment in healthcare occupations is projected to grow with approximately 1.8 million openings annually. So 2 digital health professions are among the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics 2022 fastest growing occupations. The first being medical and health service managers. This is projected to grow 28% by 2032 and has a median pay of more than $104,000 annually. And secondly is the information security analyst. And this field is projected to grow 32% by 2032 and has a median pay of over $112,000 annually. Additionally, careers in health information technology are expected to grow by 16%, and this is much higher than the average for all occupations. The healthcare and social assistance sectors are expected to drive employment growth in the U.S., accounting for about 45% of projected job gains between 2022 and 2032. And by 2026, there will be a significant shortage of health aides and medical assistants, making professionals that have digital health expertise exceptionally valuable. Our program prepares you to offer accessible, efficient, and personalized patient care, ensuring job security and ongoing learning opportunities in this field. We'd love for you to join us and become a leader in digital health, contributing to innovation in healthcare practices and research. So let's take a look at the return on investment that you could receive by joining us. The salary range for this field is very wide, as post-program pay can vary depending on a number of different factors, including your experience, your geographical location, and previous education. These can all have a significant influence on your potential earnings. However, the range also indicates plenty of room for growth as you gain experience in this field. So in addition to the promising return on your educational investment, your tuition after scholarships alone would stand at $20,700, a sum that could potentially be repaid within the first few years of employment after completing your degree. Furthermore, if you're currently employed, you could possibly reduce your out-of-pocket costs even further. So be sure to check your company's benefits webpage to learn about any educational reimbursement plans that they offer. So before I pass back to Megan, who will share some important student services information, we'd like to ask you another question for the chat. After hearing about the program information and career potential, what excites you the most about the potential impact of digital health on public health and patient outcomes? So I will give you a second to pop that in the chat if you feel comfortable doing so. I know something that is exciting to me is the vast amount of data that you can get through digital health and through monitors and tracking devices, and just the possibilities for the personalized medicine and kind of the influence that will have on health outcomes. That's an exciting piece for me. All right, and I see someone in the chat. I'm excited to make the health field more efficient and accessible industry. Yeah, that is a great benefit to digital health. So I'm excited to hear you say that. All right. You can keep them coming if things pop up to you. Otherwise, thank you for that. And Megan is going to round out the content portion for us tonight. So Megan.
Thanks, Kristen. So admission to all graduate programs at Iowa State University require a 4-year degree or equivalent from a regionally accredited institution. You are required to also submit transcripts or your academic records with that. And that previous degree does not need to be in a closely related subject area to digital health. The graduate college also requires applicants to have and maintain a minimum GPA of 3.0. And if you are a non-native speaker of English, you will need to demonstrate your English proficiency. This program utilizes a rapid admissions process, which means that applicants are evaluated and admitted within 7 to 10 days of application. And with an online program like this, you can enroll to start in August, January, or May. When you're ready to apply, you'll use the graduate application at iastate.edu. We have it linked here on the slide, and we'll be sending out these slides for you for easy access to that application. There is an application fee of $60 for domestic students and $100 for international. However, if you reach out to us and let us know that you're beginning the application process, then we can get that fee waived for you. So in terms of cost, students in any distance education program at Iowa State University benefit from that distance education tuition rate, no matter where you're coming from and where you're residing. And there is a technology fee that is included in that credit hour. However, when you're enrolled in a distance education program, you're not charged the same types of student fees like activity and service fees, health facility fees that on-campus students would be charged. Kristen mentioned employer reimbursement options. And at Iowa State University, we offer a deferment option for employees of businesses and organizations that provide tuition reimbursement programs. So if needed, you can register for that deferment plan and defer your payment of tuition and fees until the end of the semester. Additionally, with this program, we're offering up to $1,800 in scholarships for students who enroll in the 2024-2025 academic year. And we can get you more information about any of this if you reach out to the Student Services team. And finally, Iowa State University offers many academic, career, well-being resources to support our students. So from the Center for Communication Excellence to mental health resources like telecounseling and well-being coaching that are available to you no matter where you reside. We're committed to supporting your success in every aspect of your university experience at Iowa State. And again, we would be happy to connect you with any of those resources. And we've linked our contact information here and on a final slide for you as well.